Well, out from a walk, pondering. Been pondering the state of the NHS and the health service in this country. We're struggling a bit at the moment, I know that, and it got me thinking of the role of the private healthcare industry. Before you all shout, I know they've been doing stuff. I've had some scans with them myself. I think it depends what area you're in for a start off, and the other thing, of course, is they're doing it for cost. When the pandemic started and we were told we're all in it together, well, we're only all in it together provided there's enough profit being made, and it appears that so far private health has made about £1 billion out of the taxpayer, which is pretty damn high, and a lot of people find it too much. I see operations and various things are being cancelled in some areas. We're probably lucky down where I am, a good area, but London struggling a bit, and apparently the private health deal for beds in London hospitals ended in August, and they're still busy squabbling and arguing about how much we're going to pay for it, and I find that a bit wrong. I mean, supposedly, according to stats, we've got more deaths now than we've had since World War II, so much for we're all in it together. We're all in it together provided they can make enough bloody profit out of it. That's the truth of the matter, and I find that a bit galling, to be honest. I think it's time that the government grew a pair of balls and sorted them out. But then I expect, if you look into it, the government, and not just them, but probably most politicians have got their fingers in various pies, on boards of directors, I don't know, major shareholders, etc., etc. So they're all probably making sure they do okay. While we're also on the subject, I've also read about some medical staff, doctors and nurses, immigrant doctors and nurses that are working here, have caught COVID and now risk being sent home because there's a private members bill been submitted to try and make sure this doesn't happen, but of course they've all been cancelled due to COVID. Generally, it's a pretty poor situation and a pretty poor government, and that's all I'm going to say because I'll only get upset. Have a good day, Poots. Incidentally, it's bright, it's cold. I should have worn my sunglasses because the sun's coming out. Have a good day.